Hi, hello, namaste. Today we are going to discuss about Alcazar Signature model. Today we are in Blue Hyundai Magadi Road branch, and we are going to do the walk around. No, we are going to do cover only the difference between the Prestige model and the upper variants like Platinum and Signature model. So there are maybe 10 to 12 differences compared to Prestige and Platinum and Signature model, and we also tell about the Signature model, Platinum and the Prestige model. Let's start it. So this is the Signature model. In the Signature and Platinum model, so we'll get the front camera. So the placement is done below the Hyundai logo, and in the Signature model, which is top model, we'll be getting the four front sensors. So one is here, second one, we get the third one over here, and the fourth one is here. Okay, in Signature and Platinum model, so we'll be getting the Apollo tire with the 18-inch tire, and it has got this section 215 by 55. So this diamond cut alley shape will be same. In Prestige model, so we'll be getting the 17 inches tire. The next major difference will be in the mirror. So we get the puddle lamp here. So we get the light in the down, so that if you are coming in the dark, if you are in the dark, so we will get the sufficient light to reach the car. And this is the camera. So we get the camera in both the mirrors. So this is part of the 360-degree camera. And apart from that, rest everything will be same. So this is lovely Starry night color. Next major difference will be in the inside. So this portion, these buttons or switches will going to be removed sign. The major difference will be here. We will be getting the Bose music system in the Platinum and Signature model. So we get the four speakers in all the four doors, and two tweeters in the front two doors. So in the Platinum and Signature model, we get the leather seat, leather upholstery. So these seats are very nice. Looks very rich and suits the interior. And in the Signature model, we also get the ventilated seats in the front two seats. And we get the electrical adjustable seats. In the Prestige model, we get the manual adjustable. This is to adjust the height, and this is for selecting the recline angle. So the other difference is in the Signature model, we get the front sensor, so we can do the switch on and switch off from the switch. Okay, let's see what we got inside. So we get the center speaker here. It's part of the Bose music system. So this infotainment system is going to remain same. Rear AC, charging section, we have manual gear, and since it is the Signature model, we get the ventilation speed selection. So we'll have three speed level, 1, 2, 3. And if you don't require, so we can also turn off the ventilated seat facility here. And in the center, so we have the electrical parking brake. So to adjust it, just push it upper side, and to disengage it, just push it down. So we have the auto hold. So these two feature comes only in the Platinum and Signature model. So when we use the auto hold button, auto hold feature, so we need not to keep pressing the brake. So when the auto hold feature is on, and we can see the you can see in the MID that it's enabled, and if you're in the traffic or somewhere, just press the brake and pull back your leg, so it will be in the hold position and the vehicle will not come down. So this is really nice feature. I think every car should have that, irrespective of the model what we have. So this is handrest. So handrest, like, the texture is same, but we get the air purifier here. So we get the air purifier only in the platinum and signature model. We miss it in the prestige model. Yeah. So in the platinum and signature model we get the 6 airbags, and in the prestige model we get the 2 airbags. And yes, so we'll be getting the leather upholstery here. And in the second row, since it is the top model, in the top model signature variant, we won't be getting the 7-seater bench version, we'll be getting the 6-seater, which is captain seats. So the this section is going to remain same. We'll be having the Bose speaker. So we'll be getting the leather seats here, and we'll be having the handrest, place for space. We get the wireless charger here, 2 cup holder, and so we also get the notification here if it is charging or not charging. So I think the rest everything is same. So we have the Bose speaker here, this side, and in the front 2 doors. Yes, so totally it's very nice. We get the signature badging here in the back. So this is the beautiful starry night color and looks awesome.